Let's see another question. Question number 8. For each of these string, determine whether it is generated by the given grammar for postfix notation. If it is, find the step used to generate the string. A is A, B, C star 1. So firstly we have seen expression. Expression is divided into term, and add operator. Term is divided into factor, then multiply operator, and then add operator. Factor is further divided into identifier, then multiply operator, and then add operator. Bxy plus z string is cannot be generated. Option C, axy minus z star. Expression that is divided into terms into factor, and multiply operator. Expression factor multiply operator. Term can be divided term, add operator, factor multiply operator, factor add operator, factor multiply operator. Identifier minus operator, identifier multiply operator, xy minus z star. M star n plus p d plus m minus n plus p minus q. Expression is divided into term into factor, multiply operator, factor into multiply operator. Expression factor multiply operator, term add operator, term, then factor multiply operator, factor add operator, factor identifier multiply operator, identifier add operator minus factor add operator, factor minus subtract operator, and factor. M into n plus p d, m plus n star p minus d. So expression into terms is divided into factor, multiply operator, and factor. Then factor is divided into expression, multiply operator, and expression. Expression is divided into term, that is m, add operator, term, that is n, multiply operator, t equal to term minus subtract operator. Sorry, here will be subtract operator, then term, then factor add operator, factor, then multiply operator, factor, subtract operator, factor, then identifier, add operator, identifier, then multiply operator, identifier, subtract operator, and then identifier. In this way this is generated. Then we will see wxyz minus star, then divide symbol. Expression term, expression into terms into factor, multiply operator, factor expression multiply operator, factor term multiply operator, factor multiply operator, factor multiply operator, expression multiply operator, then identifier, add operator, multiply operator, and multiply operator. EADE minus star. Expression into term into factor multiply operator, factor expression multiply operator, factor term, add operator, multiply operator, factor add operator, multiply operator, identifier, add operator, and multiply operator. So this was the string. In this way we have generated all the string for the given questions in postfix notation. Hope you have found this video helpful. Thank you.